UTI Large and Mid-Cap Fund. Equity investing plays a significant role in wealth creation journey of investors. Large caps are like seasoned veteran players who are dependable and experienced with consistency across varied match conditions, while mid-caps, having the potential of higher growth, are like young and promising talent who are dynamic and full of energy with the potential to deliver solid performance. With a holistic long-term performance view, a coach will always have a good mix of both category of players to create an ideal team for delivering expected outcomes. UTI Large and Mid-Cap Fund precisely offers blend of reliance and substantial growth potential through predominant exposure into large caps and mid caps respectively. The fund invests a minimum of 35% each into large and mid caps. The fund may take some exposure to select small caps. UTI Large and Mid-Cap Fund is managed with a distinctive relative value philosophy, with major emphasis on margin of safety. The fund's core belief is that a company goes through its own valuation cycle, which may vary on account of either macro cycles or company-specific factors, and its aim is to capture the inefficiency in the cycle. The fund identifies opportunities where companies are undervalued relative to its own history or peer. However, the fund takes cognizance of businesses which have an ability on generating return on equity, which is over and above their cost of capital, and avoid businesses which are consistently weaker in generating healthy return on equity through the cycle. Similar to a balanced sports team having the potential to adjust its game strategy to different opponents and conditions. This blended portfolio shall navigate market volatility as well as capture growth opportunities. It also adopts a top-down approach for sector selection and follows a bottom-up approach for stock selection. Similar to how a coach evaluates the performance before the team selection, the fund's diligent exclusion filters ensures that the company with inconsistent cash flows or weak growth attributes or high borrowings do not form part of the portfolio, and this becomes a part of fund's risk mitigation process. So, here are the 4 key reasons to consider this fund. Number 1. Leverage from equity exposure with the comfort of relatively stable returns in large caps and without missing out on the growth opportunities offered by mid caps. Number 2. Value-oriented investment philosophy and strategy that diligently looks for undervalued stocks with strong growth prospects to unlock their real value in future. Number 3. Actively churned portfolio on an ongoing basis that endeavors to invest across the opportunities with relative valuation comfort. Number 4. The fund is suitable for investors looking to build their core equity portfolio for long-term wealth creation. The fund is designed for investors who are seeking exposure to a portfolio of large and mid-market capitalization stocks with a bias towards relative value style of investing. UTI Large and Mid-Cap Fund. Invest in sound businesses with reasonable valuations. Benefits from the growth opportunities in mid-caps and potential stability of large caps. Suitable for building one's core equity portfolio. To know more, contact your mutual fund distributor or registered investment advisor or call 86550 19940.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.